I did this. Huh. Toothless. I could have sworn you had... teeth. No thanks, I'm good. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa! Right, Toothless, go. Get out of here. Oh, no, please, just don't hurt him. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. Hey, hold on. Well, he can fly. Hiccup. Hey, Toothless. Yeah, happy to see you too, bud. Oh, what? You ready? Dragons.